Alright YouTube, welcome back. Alright, so anyways, I got something in the mail. From eBay or Mercari or something like that. Anyways, it was hard to find, so hopefully you guys like it. Let's check it out. So it came with a booster pack. I think this is like from the base set or something like that, the very first one. Or at least the very first cards that came out. There you go. Alright, cool. And then this guy right here. This is what I wanted. It's kind of like a review, even though it's already open, but I still want to check it out. But anyways, I got this in the mail today. It took about a week to get here. Maybe get the full walkthrough before I open it. And maybe you guys could read that. Cool. Nothing there. Cool. Alright, let's check it out now. Nice. Look at that El Naf. With a Yeti and a Peppy or whatever the hell they call it. Alright, so this box comes with a CD. And I believe the CD comes with all of the cards you can get on the base set. Plus you could play the card game, which I haven't played yet, which is why I bought it, so I can play the card game. Because I don't know what it's about. Anyways, let's check this out. This came with booster packs, but I think they opened them and they just gave me the cards. And anyways, this is the manual. And I'm gonna, in the description, or maybe even in the video, I'll put PDF files or the actual images in there, so you can see everything, and you'll be able to read and make copies of it and everything. Because this is hard to come by. I've tried to look everywhere for this information, and trust me, I haven't been able to find anything. Which kind of sucks, but I mean, I guess this is what makes these cards a little bit rarer than they really are. I have some more stuff coming in the mail. Cost me about like $380 for maybe 1,500 card set. I don't know if they're rare or not, but you know, we'll see. And then I'll show you guys the cards that came in the booster packs, because this is basically what the dude gave me, or what the person, he or she, gave me. I don't know who sold it to me. We'll go one by one, just so you guys can see it. Alright, so we got the Firebore. They used to drop glass shoes for Quest. Hated them. Yo, level 30 earrings. Dope. I remember those so well. The Yeti, Junior Yeti. And Elnath. I used to kill him all the time. Wild Boar, used to train there at level 25. Perion. Grizzly. Didn't really mess with him. Peppy, definitely. You had to pass this guy to get to your third job advancement. The Crib. I didn't really, you know what? I can't say I killed him that much, except to kill Pontius, that big fish. But, he's alright, I guess. The Lorang, I remember them. They used to group up on you like crazy. Oh, two of them, cool. The Red Snail, the infamous Red Snail. That's dope. Ooh, another one. Cool. Another one. Ooh, a piece of candy. Propeller, we already seen this guy. We have him. Man, the lighting in here is horrible. There you go. Crappy, yeah, same location in Aqualand, or Aqua World, or whatever it's called. And these cards are rare. Let me see if I can zoom into that star. There you go. This card is the one I was looking for. The Drake. The Draco. I got another one. Duplicates. I mean, if you guys see the codes, I mean, you guys can keep them, but I don't think you could use them anymore. Oh, this is another one I was looking for. Nice. This outfit was so hard to get. Jesus Christ. The dark outfit. Any dark outfit for assassins or mage. Just dark items in general were hard to get. And they used to be so expensive. Look at that. Another pair. These are dope. These are so hard to come by. I mean, the cards in general. Talking about these cards. These earrings are hard to find. I've been trying to look for them. Oh, nice. The level 50 pole arm. That is dope. Nice. The shield. If Chibubu watches this, man, this is going to bring back so many memories for him. Especially the slime. Dude. Nice. I was looking for him. I used to, hunt these guys all the time over there in Illenia. They got the coconut knife, level 20. Really, at that level 17 or 18. Some bandit items were randomly leveled, like, I don't know, I think it was like a level 43 diamond knife or something like that. It looks like a steely, but it's a dagger. I mean, if you played Maple, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, it's just random levels for certain items that only belong to bandits. Okay, Bowman, Herman, sounds racist to me. I'm just kidding. A Dave Chappelle reference if you guys get that. Firebore, got that already. Ivan, hey, shout out to Ivan. Shout out to Dandy. All right, Croco, Crappy, Lunar, whatever the hell they're called. I remember this guy. Okay, so this guy's on the floors, or on the floor of the towers heading down from Orbis to Elnath. They used to be cool. I remember you had to collect a bunch of those little things on their head and give it to somebody. I forgot why you needed them. Alright, Green Shroom. I remember you had to collect their heads. It's funny. Bunch of these green. Oh, look at that, another one. Cool. The red the ribbon pig in Hennessy. Man, I used to just test my damage on these guys. Poor little guys, right? The block golem. It reminds me of Lubrium PQ. Sentinel, same thing. Orbis going to Elnath. Octopus, that's Sleepywood. Yeti, Elnath. Level 20 Bowman hat or Archer hat in Hennessy. Heal, that's for the cleric. I used to love doing that or receiving it. I used to be a cleric, but then I got hacked. Sucks. The Bowman hand. Swiper, no swiping. Dora the Explorer reference. MP Eater. That's also Magician. Grizzly. Coconut knife. Propeller. Okay, so these seem to be just replicas or duplicates, sorry. But yeah, that's it. So the CD, I'll try my best to see if I can record the screen, but I'll let you guys know what I can do. I know they have images of the card set, so if I can get the images on the screen, I'll definitely put them on after here or after this video. And if you guys like it or not, if you guys like the video, just subscribe. If not, it's okay. I'm still gonna put it on. I'm still gonna make these contents. I'm still trying to work on my the information that I'm giving out. It's a little hard trying to think of what to say on camera, so just give me some time. I will adapt. Oh wait, we're not done yet. We still got one more thing to open. We got this guy or this girl. Let's open it. Now again, I want to keep the package intact, so let me see if I can open it without ripping the thing, the packet. Alright. These are probably from the base set. I don't know, we'll see. Nice, I needed her. Cool. Cursed Eye. Nice, I needed that as well. We already have that hatch. We already have that fish. Fishy octopus. Risky arrow, or risky shot, there you go. Peppy, got him. Coconut knife. And that's it. Oh man, I'm not disappointed on the pulls. I got the meditation tree. I believe this is for, I want to say fire mages, yeah. Does it say there anywhere? Nope. Oh well, looks pretty cool though. I like it. And oh look, check it out. It tells you the description of their job. They're a fighter. That's dope. Man, that glare is horrible. Cool. Alright, you guys. You stayed this long. I'll put up the pictures of the deck right after this video. It'll be at the end. So yeah, it'll actually be all of these cards here. And let me show you. Hopefully you guys can see. Obviously you guys can't read it, but if you pause, maybe you might be able to see something. I'll put all those cards in the end. You know, I'll probably put them each one for like 10 seconds. You guys could stop it and look at the cards and whatnot. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, and share. Definitely share. I'm still working on these contents, on the content of the videos and everything, so still a little new, but give me a chance. See you guys.